Nyoka ni mnyama? Really? Okay. Nyoka huyu hapa. Huyu hapa anakuja. Sasa anavoleta mnani na nazidi kukimbia. No. Hapa tumetembelea nyoka na mama nyoka yule pale. I would like to talk to you, madam, if you don't mind. Are you mama nyoka?
Yes.
Why not? Why don't you join me? Because I was told by my friend who lives in Sweden. He said, go and meet mama nyoka.
Yes, mama nyoka.
This is mama nyoka, the snake park, and I would like to talk to her. We want to know some stuff, a few hints regarding the snakes. You are mama nyoka?
Yes.
How long have you been this?
31 years.
Oh my God. Yeah. She has been doing this business for 30 years.
We built this whole place.
Okay. How many acres? The acreage?
It's about 8 acres.
8 acres. Yo, so huge. So our viewers would like to. This is my first time visiting this place.
Okay.
So
welcome.
And I guess so many others want to know much about your place. Why did you decide to farm snakes anyway?
Because my son and his friend came with him. Their hobby was snakes.
Snakes, okay. I watched much of geography. They call it geography wild.
Yeah.
Most of the time when I'm at home, much of my time, spare time, I watch films regarding snakes. So I'm interested in snakes, but I've never been. I've been here. So a few hints.
I've got some good guides here. She's learning.
She's learning. She can join us, huh?
No, but if you need to know more, you need to talk to Jamali.
Jamali, okay. Jamali can be here. That'd be great.
Yeah.
Yes, that can be great because you know.
She's just a student.
A student. Okay, come on. Bring Jamali, who is the king of the snake, isn't it?
Well, he can tell you.
Yeah, you're so famous, madam. Oh yeah, I love your job. I love your job.
Come and see the bar when you
Okay, let me just wait for Jamali, okay? Yeah. Let me just wait for him.
Where's Jamali? Okay, shoot.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll enjoy the moment. I'll see the snakes. I want to. Huyu hapo chatu. Unaona? Chatu anamuita African rock python. She's beautiful. Ni mwanaume au mwanamke? Mwanaume. Handsome, isn't it? African rock python. Huyu hapo ana mita ngapi tuliambiwa? 3.5 ule pale ule. Kwa hiyo kumbe ni rafiki tu. Nilidhani kwamba atakuja kunigonga kioo labda hivi kupasua, lakini hakugonga kioo. This is a nice venture. Hapa hii ni aje-farms mashamba na utembea, na please kindly subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Our host here today is Mr. Jamali, a snake guru at Meserani Snake Park. Despite having snakes, they do have other reptiles and other animals. They say they have birds and crocodiles, turtles. We shall be just visiting those other areas to get a view of what Meserani is all about. So we shall visit all these other sites in this park to witness what they are up to. This is a rock python, African rock python. Let's go to another station so that we learn about snakes and the reptiles.